The chapter describes the story of a man who was brought back to the outer gate of the sanctuary, which was shut. The Lord instructed the prince to enter through the portico and go out the same way. The man then led him to the front of the temple, where he saw the glory of the Lord filling the temple. The Lord told the prince to look carefully, listen closely, and give attention to all the regulations and instructions regarding the temple. The Lord told the rebellious Israelites that they had brought foreigners uncircumcised in heart and flesh into the sanctuary, desecrating it while offering food, fat, and blood. They had broken his covenant and put others in charge of the sanctuary, not even the Israelites. The Levites who went far from the Lord and wandered after their idols must bear the consequences of their sin. They may serve in the sanctuary, but they must bear the shame of their detestable practices. The Levitical priests, descendants of Zadok, are to come near to minister before the Lord and offer sacrifices of fat and blood. They must wear linen clothes, not woolen garments, and not wear anything that makes them perspire. They must leave their clothes in the sacred rooms when going out into the outer court where the people are. They must not shave their heads or let their hair grow long, but keep their heads trimmed. The priests are to serve as judges in disputes and keep their laws and decrees for all appointed festivals and Sabbaths holy. They must not defile themselves by going near a dead person, but if the dead person was their father, mother, son, daughter, brother, or unmarried sister, they may defile themselves. After cleansing, they must wait 7 days. On the day they go into the inner court of the sanctuary to minister, they must offer a sin offering for themselves. The Lord is to be the only inheritance the priests have, and they will eat the grain offerings, sin offerings, and guilt offerings. The best of all the first fruits and special gifts will belong to the priests, and the first portion of the ground meal should be given to them. Priests must not eat anything found dead or torn by wild animals.